In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert time to minutes in Excel. This is a quick and useful Excel technique that can help you pull the minute portion from a time value. If you are working with schedules, timestamps, logs, or time-based reports, this can save you time and make your spreadsheet easier to analyze. To do this, you will use a simple Excel formula. The formula is equals minute, followed by the cell reference in parentheses. In this example, the formula is $minute A2. What this formula does is extract only the minutes from the time stored in cell A2. Excel reads time values as parts of a full day, and the minute function is designed specifically to return the minute portion of that time as a number from 0 to 59. For example, if cell A2 contains 4:25 p.m., entering $minute A2 in another cell will return 25. That is because the minute portion of 4:25 p.m. is 25. When you type the formula, make sure the cell reference matches the cell that contains your time value. If your time is in a different cell, simply replace A2 with that cell reference. After typing the formula, press Enter, and Excel will display the result right away. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that this formula does not convert the full time into total minutes. It only returns the minutes part of the time. So if your time is 4:25 p.m., the result will be 25, not the total number of minutes that have passed in the day. That distinction is important, especially if you are using this in a larger calculation. Also, make sure the original cell contains a valid Excel time value. If the time is stored as plain text, the formula may not work as expected. If needed, you can first format the source cell as a time so Excel recognizes it correctly. This function is very useful when you need to separate parts of a time value without doing the calculation manually. It is simple, fast, and built directly into Excel, which makes it a reliable option for everyday spreadsheet tasks. Once again, the formula you need is $minute A2. And if A2 contains 4:25 p.m., the result will be 25. That covers everything you need to know.